Hey there, Wayne Jennings here. Today I'm going to be checking out a new little video light I got from my GoPro camera. It's made by GoPro. It's called the Light Mod. It's really tiny, but it's pretty bright. Let's check it out. This is the GoPro Light Mod, a small LED light featuring 4 levels of brightness up to 200 lumens, a built-in rechargeable battery that will last up to 6 hours, and it's waterproof down to a depth of 33 feet, that's 10 meters. There are multiple settings on this light. We have low, which is 20 lumens, medium, which is 60 lumens, high at 125 lumens, and we have a strobe mode as well. The GoPro Light Mod comes with all the items you see here. In addition to the light itself, you get a mount adapter, a diffuser, a USB Type-C cable for charging, and an instruction booklet. The GoPro Light Mod has 10 little LEDs in the front there, and they produce an output equivalent to 5,700 degrees Kelvin. Now that light also comes with this white diffuser panel, which of course diffuses the light, but also changes the temperature. It's now giving you a 5,000 degree Kelvin light. Now if we take that off, I just want to show you, there is also what they call overdrive. If I double click this, we get a nice bright 200 lumen output. Unfortunately, that will only burn that bright for about 30 seconds. Now this light is rechargeable. There's a built-in battery. To access it, you just slide this little lever and that little door opens. There's a little metal spring in there and a little gasket to keep water out. Because this light is designed to be waterproof down to a depth of 33 feet. And to charge it, you just plug in the supplied USB cable. It comes with this USB Type-C cable. Just plug that in and then take the other end and plug it into a computer or a wall socket, or if you have a power bank, you can plug it into there and you'll see the little green LED comes on. That indicates that the light is charging. So here's a little nighttime test of the Light Mod mounted on the GoPro camera here. I've set the lens at the wide angle setting. The ISO is locked at 400. Basically, I'll just walk back and forth in front of the GoPro at about a 10-foot distance, and I'll change the light output so you can see the different illuminations. Here we have the GoPro Light Mod set at 20 lumens. Now the light is set to 60 lumens. And this is 125 lumens. And this is 200 lumens. The Light Mod was originally designed to be used with the GoPro Media Mod case. Now this is a case in which you slide your GoPro camera in, and then you have a shoe on the top and a shoe on the side. You could take your light and slide it onto that shoe, and that way wherever you point the camera, you get your light aiming that way as well. Now if you don't have a Media Mod case, not to worry, you can still use this light with other cameras. Here's another brand of action camera right here. And you notice there's no shoe on the top. I can't actually mount it. However, they make a little adapter like so. This is called a twin or dual adapter. And you can just put the camera on one side, and this light comes with a little GoPro adapter like so that slides on. So then I can mount that on the other side. Of course, I would put a bolt in on each side, but basically there's your light and your camera, so it's pointing in the direction that you need it to. Now you can also mount this in other ways. If you use this little mount, I could say mount it on this little tripod on the top here if I want a little modeling light, or if I take it right off, I can actually use this light on any camera that has a shoe on the top. So I'm going to put it on this Sony camera like so, and now I can take still shots or video and I have a nice light source to use. So as you can see, the GoPro Light Mod is a pretty versatile little light, but you know, it's not just for shooting video. I mean, I've got it on this little tiny tripod so I can hold it and just use it as a flashlight, or you know, I can set it up on the picnic table when I'm preparing a meal at night, and it will illuminate so it's hands-free light. And because it has this unique GoPro mount, I can mount it to things like, well, like this headband. I mean, this is designed for putting a camera on your head, but I can put the light on there instead, stick it on my head, and then I have a headlamp. So really versatile for shooting video or just for an extra light around the campsite at night.